Alright guys, a little surprise. I picked up the new toy probably about 2 months ago. What's up, Karar? I've already had some work done to it, and we're gonna put it on the lift and show you guys what's been done. While I was in Brazil, these guys knocked out a bunch of work for me. Alright guys, so we are here underneath the E46 that I bought. Laguna Seca, Interlagos blue. It was an SMG that got swapped to a manual, and then right after that came to Best Motorworks. And we got Karar here. He's gonna go over everything that they did. So yeah, where do you want to start?
So we'll start with the rear diff.
Okay.
So we pulled the rear diff, started the whole rear subframe off.
Okay.
We went through everything. So we started with the diff bushings back. The rear.
Yep.
And then we went to the, it's kind of hard to see it, but from over here you can see where the washer is and the
Kind of see it a little bit.
yeah, just right there.
That's
that
the
one,
front.
The front, and then these are the rear.
Yeah.
As well as the subframe bushings with the plates as well. We used a 3M panel bonding glue, so it's like aeronautics glue.
Yeah. So it's not going anywhere.
No. Yeah, we made sure that if there is any cracks, we do like clean it up, make sure they're 100%.
Yeah.
Welded up and then clean it.
Okay.
We like to glue everything up and make sure everything's 100%. As well as with the arms as well. We upgraded them from the salad tongs.
These
We
things
like
are.
to call these guys the salad tongs because they like to bend and you can just.
And then this is just a plastic cover,
Yeah,
huh?
this is just a little plastic cover. It's
Jesus
for
Christ.
beauty.
I bet you that part costs less than $10 for BMW to make.
Oh, all day for sure.
Fucking bullshit.
Yeah, and those bend all the time. We see them bend all the time.
Yeah. Yep.
Let's see. So then we go forward to this. You can see it a lot better over here.
Oh, the front subframe mounts.
Yeah, so the sub front and then the plates too as well, right there.
Kind of hard to see,
Yeah,
but it's alright.
kind of hard, but the plates up there too as well. And then come forward, we did the trans bushings as well. Those are kind of hard to tell to see, but they're brand new bushings in there. And then we did the
Motor mounts
as well.
Can't see those.
Yeah, they're.
Ooh, I just
tucked
noticed
underneath
something here. The
And
lollipops.
then the lollipops on the.
Do you know if you guys or if these add camber by any chance or no?
So these are at the stock.
Okay.
They are, I believe. So these are the white line, but they're the poly. They're in the stock position.
Okay.
Those are really solid. I like to run those.
Overall, feels really good. It came in as an SMG to Kevin over in San Diego. He did the manual swap for it, but I still had like a really bad clunk when I would shift. So I brought it to Nas at Best, and knocked basically all the bushings out. Basically, I told him I want every bushing done. That way, I don't ever have to come back for bushings again. And these guys knocked it out.
And as well as the trailing arm bushings, those are poly as well. You can't really tell, but they're
up there. Damn,
they're all solid.
Forgot about those.
Yeah.
Cool, man. I appreciate you guys doing all the work. Best Motorworks is out here in Rancho Cucamonga, Ontario area. And yeah, man, they work on anything. They're over here taking care of the RS, which is a good point to transition to. The RS is here. We got Grid Life, Big Willow starting tomorrow. And so obviously it looks like a mess. Jason took it to Streets of Willow for a track day and went off. And it was raining, so this thing's just filthy. So it'll get cleaned up and everything, but they did the PDK service on it. We're having some issues with the PDK. It's starting to slip a little bit, and it's only got 13,000 miles, but those are all track miles. So decided to do the trans service on it and found a lot of clutch and metallic buildup in the fluid. So hopefully we get through this weekend, no problem, and then we'll see. We'll have to evaluate where to go from there. But yeah, car's working just fine. Shouldn't be an issue at all. So I will catch up with you guys when I get home and show you guys more of the E46. guys, here we are back home. Yeah, just want to show you guys a little bit of the car, a little more of it, I guess. 2005 competition package, Laguna Seca blue. Sorry, god damn it, it's not Laguna Seca blue. I don't know why I keep saying that. Interlagos blue. What else? Slick top and a cloth interior. Let me go ahead and open the car for you guys. It's pretty windy right now. Hopefully the sound isn't too bad. But cloth interior. It's pretty dirty right now, honestly. It doesn't look dirty, but I don't know if it actually does or not, but it is dirty. Yeah, you can see. So I got to clean it up a little bit. That was just because I had my dog in the back. But yeah, it's got 6-speed manual. It's got, yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's not a new car, obviously. This car's been out for 20 years now, over 20 years, so it ain't nothing new, but it's new to me. Plans for this car are just to get some wheels, get some suspension on it, get a CSL trunk. I want to do an airbox, but I don't want to do the CSL because I want to be able to pass smog without having to worry about any of that emissions bullshit. I'm already dealing with emissions right now because the O2 sensors won't activate. So it's kind of annoying because I've put 1,000 miles on it and the O2 sensors haven't woken up yet. So if any of you guys know what's going on, let me know. They're not bad O2 sensors. There's no check engine light or anything. So it's just they're not activating. What else? Gonna track it this this coming May with SoCal Drivers Club, and should be a good time. It's not my first time tracking an E46. This isn't my first E46 either. So if some of you guys remember, I had a Laguna Seca blue. That's why I keep on wanting to say that. I had a Laguna Seca blue M3 with throttle bodies and headers and super sprint exhaust. It was nice, but honestly, I wasn't really impressed with the driving experience. So I'm hoping to do a few more mods to this to hopefully improve that. But yeah, if you guys liked the car, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, please drop in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm gonna head home. Head to the gym actually and get going. Later.